I have the potential for anything that I want. I'm getting better and better at this. Already I can feel improvement. I know that this universe is abundant. I know that others who are now billionaires were one time standing right where I'm standing. I know that these processes work. I know that I'm coming closer into alignment with what I want. I like the idea of abundance. I like to look for the abundance in my own life experience. I'm doing really well in this. I'm looking forward to the universe yielding to me a steady path. I understand that all of my abundance won't come all at once. That's all right. I like the steady stream of abundance that will be flowing to me, that is flowing to me. I love knowing that I'm the creator of my own reality. I love knowing that I can dream big. I love understanding how big what I put into my vortex is. I can feel that my work is just to relax and allow it. I like the idea of having my own hands in my own clay. I like watching the abundance squirt into my experience in different ways. I like knowing that it will always be good for me. I like feeling my power of understanding. I like understanding the laws of the universe. I'm crazy about my own guidance system. I like knowing by this calm that I'm feeling right now that I'm right on track with what I'm wanting. It feels good to me to know that I can be or do or have anything that I choose. I like knowing that I can massage the energy. I like knowing that when I'm really sure of something, I can really lay on the specifics of it. It's all right for me to just slow down and catch my balance and be more general. I know that this is a sure thing. I know that now this idea has occurred to me about something that I want, that it must be. I understand that having received that idea means that I'm well along the way. I'm so looking forward to the details of how that will play out. I'm thrilled with the idea of the entrepreneurship that's flowing to me. It is exciting to me to think about those that I will meet. It's exciting to me to know that I will know them when I see them. It's exciting to me to know that I can't miss in this. I love the power of my fascinating mind. I love the interest I have on so many different subjects. I love knowing the freedom I have to choose lots of different arenas at the same time. I can feel the cooperative universe surrounding me and participating with me. I look forward to each and every idea as it comes. I know that I've got my feet under me. I love knowing that I am the creator of my own reality. There's nothing about this that I don't like. There's nothing about this that I don't know.